Hi everyone, welcome to the third and final video for your first lesson of quantitative literacy. What we're learning about today is called averages. And an average is a set of numbers is the sum, and then you divide by the number of numbers. This is also sometimes called a mean. Okay? So you could hear either word, they mean the same thing. Average, mean. In Spanish it's promedio. Just for those of you that prefer Spanish, so that you know what we're talking about, averages or mean. So if you want to find the average of a set of data, what you're going to do is add them all up. Okay, so you can see that I've brought up a calculator on my screen. You're welcome to use a calculator, especially when we're talking about decimals. We can add them by hand and that's fine, but for the purpose of time right now, we're going to go ahead and use a calculator. So I type in 5.4 plus. And I'm not going to cross off all of them, but that would be what I would be doing. The reason why I am not doing that is it makes it go away, and so when I'm making these videos and writing it can be a little confusing. So I finish my first column. Then I'm going to check it as I go. Keep going, so I have 6.2, and then 29.2, and then I have 61.2, and then I have 7.2, and then I have 40.6, and then I have 62.4, and then I have 11.4, and 40.8, and 63.6, and okay, so if I finish at 63.6, that means I'm in my last column. 13.4 and 50.8 and 66.6. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's good. And then when I add them all up together, I got 597.8. And so now I'm going to go ahead and divide that by 16 because I have 16 numbers. So if I divide that by 16, I get 37.4. And that's my average annual precipitation. Let's try another one together. This is called a dot graph or a dot plot. And so what this means, if this is 14, this is 16, there's 1, 2, 3 13s. Okay? So if I look at my calculator, I have 3 13s. I'm going to go ahead and clear it. 3 13s, 1 14, 1 15, 2 16s. I have 3 17s. I have 3 18s. And then I have 121 and 122. So if I look at how many numbers that is total, I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to go ahead and divide that by 15, and my average is 16.5 years. So if we look on your note page, the next part is where you pause, okay? And then you can go ahead and resume the video and see me explain how to do this. Okay, welcome back to the video. There's a few ways we can do this. If you have one of these cool calculators, I'm going to show you a shortcut. Sorry about the glitch in the video. I was going to show you a shortcut, but it doesn't work on my on-screen calculator very well. If you want to see a shortcut and you have a calculator like this, ask me in class and I will gladly show you. So to find the average, we're going to go ahead and type them all in. So 41,340 plus 52,720 plus 60,150 plus 43,800. Oops, now I can just go back. Plus 54,140 plus 61,180 plus 78,360, 49,290, $9,380, and last but not least, everybody, hang in there. Okay, so now if I count up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 15 of those. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by 15. And the average is 55,330 and 33 cents. So 55,333 and 33 cents. Shoe size. Again, one more time, add them up and divide by your number of numbers. So I have 2 6s, I have 4 7s, I have 4 8s. So it looks okay so far. I have 3 9s. I have 1 10, 1 12, and 1 13. So that would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 16 people's shoes I measured, which means my average shoe size is 8.375, or about 8.4. Those people would probably want to buy 8.5 size shoes.